Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to add a size chart to your product page in Shopify. Later in the video, I'm also going to show you how to link your size chart on your website's menu. To get started, I'm going to show you how to create a separate page template for your product. This is essential for if you're selling more than just clothes, like accessories and other products, and you don't need your size chart displayed on every single product page. On Shopify, you'll want to open up your website. Once you're inside your theme editor, you'll want to click Home Page, and then you're going to click Products. Then I'm going to click Create Template. I've titled this Clothing Product so that I know to assign this page template to future clothing products that need a size chart on their page. Next, you'll just want to click Create Template. Once you're done with that, I'm going to show you how to apply that page template to a specific product. So you'll want to exit your theme editor. And then on Shopify, you'll want to click Products. And then you can open up one of your clothing products. You'll want to scroll down until you see Theme Template. It currently has the default product template set. I'm going to apply that brand new clothing product template. Then click Save. You'll want to repeat that step and apply that page template to all of your clothing products in particular. Next, to create the size chart, under Online Store, you'll want to click Pages. Then you can click Add Page to create a brand new page for your size chart. Alright, so I've titled my page Clothing Size Chart. You'll want to title this accordingly to match the size chart you're creating. So you might have a separate sizing chart for shoes or jewelry. You want to set your page visibility to visible. And then under Content is where we're going to create the size chart. Or more specifically, we're going to use AI to generate the size chart. I'm going to click this Generate Text button, and then you want to type in what the page is about. I've typed in size chart for clothing, and then the tone is set to expert. By using this feature, AI should generate your size chart for you. Then I'm going to click Generate, and then you're going to see it generating your size chart. Once you're done, you can choose if you would like it to generate a new size chart, or if you would like to keep it. Next, you want to click Keep to apply those changes of the new size chart. And then you'll notice you'll be able to go in and make any changes to the text and customize the size chart to really fit your brand and your store. You'll have a variety of editing options for how you can edit this text. For example, you can put the text in bold or increase the size of specific text. And if you need to, you can click the Insert Image icon to insert photos for examples. Once you're done, you'll want to save the page. And that is how to create your size chart page. Next, we're going to link this size chart to the actual product page. And there's two different ways that you can do this. So the first way would be to open Online Store and then open up your website. Then you can open up one of your clothing products that you assigned that clothing template to earlier. Once you opened up a product, I'm going to show you how to link the size chart. Underneath the Add to Cart or the Buy Now button, you'll want to click the plus icon, and then I'm going to select to insert a pop-up block. That's going to add a clickable text link that's going to show a mini page pop-up. You'll want to click on this text and you can retitle it. I've titled the link label Size Chart, and then next to page, I'm going to select that Clothing Size Chart page. If you need to reposition this text, under Template, you can select this section and then you can drag it above the other features on your product information box. You can go ahead and preview your website. And then you can click on that size chart and you'll notice it's going to show that page pop-up of the size chart. Feel free to customize your size chart section as much as you would like. Also, for just in case you guys like this website that you see in this video, this is one of my Shopify theme templates that I've designed for clothing and streetwear businesses. I have a line of Shopify themes designed for apparel businesses and clothing boutiques. Using a custom Shopify theme can help you to give your website a branded look without you having to have that web design experience. And it can help you to save days of time from creating your website entirely from scratch. I'm going to link this Shopify theme in the description box. And my themes are available in a variety of styles. If you don't know how custom themes work, the theme will arrive in a zip file format. And inside your Shopify store, you can click the Import Theme option to import that zip file. And it's going to install as a theme, which you can publish and customize. Each theme includes an installation guide to walk you through the install process. And most of my themes include bonus templates like web banners, logos, thank you cards, and more for your business. I'm going to link my themes in the description box below. Next, I'm going to show you two other places in your website where you can feature your size chart. The first one is going to be pretty simple, and this would actually be to link your size chart inside the product description so that people can see the link to it as they're checking out the description. So you want to open up a product, and then inside the description field, you can add a designated text to direct people to the size chart. You want to select the text, then you can click the insert link icon and then insert a link to your size chart page. So on Shopify, you'll want to open online store, then pages, and then open up your clothing size chart page. I'm going to view this page, and then you'll want to copy the URL of this page. Then paste the page link into the link option. I'm going to have the link open in a new window. Then click insert link. That's how to add an additional link to the size chart in the description, just to reduce any confusion among your customers so that they don't miss it. You want to save your product, and then you can preview that product to make sure that that link works. Then next, I'm going to show you how to feature your size chart link on your website's main menu so that customers can see the link to that page, typically regardless of what page they're on in your website. On Shopify, you'll want to go on to customize your website. Then click on your website's header, and next to menu is where you're going to go ahead and edit your main menu. So I'm going to click edit. Under menu items, when you click add menu item, you'll be able to add a link to a brand new page in your website. And this is where you can insert a link to that size chart page. You can retitle the link label, which will be how the page is titled on the main menu. Then click the checkmark icon and click save. Then you can go in to view your website, and you should see that brand new size chart link on your main menu. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm going to have this website linked in the description box, along with where you can take a look at my other Shopify themes, which I have for multiple different businesses like cosmetic, skincare, and even dropshipping businesses. My Shopify beginners course is also going to be linked below as well, for if you would like a full Shopify walkthrough and demonstration that you can follow and get all of your information in one place.